Samsung has opted to maintain the same 5000 mAh battery and rapid charging rates that were first introduced in the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Thus, it seems that the future Galaxy S25 Ultra won't be seeing any enhancements in terms of battery life. Potential customers are discouraged by this revelation, which was leaked by well-known leaker Sawyer Gallo, which Panda Flash has confirmed. They are advised to lower their expectations. G said that the stacked battery that was first intended for the Galaxy S25 Ultra would now be included in the Galaxy S26 Ultra, so there is some good news for those seeking better battery technology. Unbelievably, this isn't the first time Samsung has hinted at a stacked battery system. It was initially speculated for the Galaxy S24 Ultra but never materialized. This denser battery delivers more power without increasing the size, but it needs a cooling mechanism to avoid overheating. Although the Galaxy S24 Ultra had the same battery capacity as the S23 Ultra, it outperformed other flagship phones in terms of battery life, coming in just 1 hour short of the winner, the OnePlus 12, which had a larger 5400 mAh battery. The S22 Ultra was the last phone in the Galaxy S line to receive a battery upgrade, increasing the capacity to 5000 from the S21 Ultra's 4000 mAh. Because Qualcomm intends to raise the price of its Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, Samsung is closely monitoring its manufacturing expenses to make sure everything is in line. Despite the excellent battery life of the Galaxy S24 Ultra with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU, Samsung will still need to pay attention to the power efficiency of the display and processor. With the S25 Ultra, Samsung could have to spend more money on cutting-edge battery technology. Ice Universe is already talking about possible hardware enhancements for the Galaxy S25 Ultra or not, but this may have an effect on Samsung's profit margin since based on early rumors, the firm is more likely to prioritize improving the camera arrangement for the device. Reportedly, the Galaxy S25 series may not get the makeover that many have been speculating about. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.